What's cooking, foodies? Today we are making a beautiful turkey roulade, also known as stuffed turkey breast. It's a nice change instead of cooking a whole turkey, and the presentation looks so gorgeous. This turkey breast can feed a family of 4. You can cook more than one to feed more people. I'll show you. So here we have a boneless turkey breast, and we need to remove the skin and save it for later as we will wrap our turkey breast in it. Take your boneless, skinless turkey breast and flip it over. Fold back the tenderloin and cut the opposite side, making sure it gets as close to the same thickness as the other side. You want it to look like opening a book and be rectangular in shape. Cover with saran wrap and pound the turkey breast to make it a little larger and to achieve the same thickness on all sides. Don't make it too thin. Remove the saran wrap, and then I will give you my Italian sausage and cranberry stuffing recipe later in this video. Spoon your stuffing onto your turkey, making sure not to overstuff and leave your edges clear. Pat down your stuffing and gently roll your turkey. Place turkey skin over the crease. Then take cooking string and secure the turkey from unrolling while it bakes. Grab some butter and rub a generous amount over the skin of the turkey so it will be nice and crispy. Add your salt and pepper. Bake in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 hour and 15 minutes or until internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. After, you will get this beautiful golden brown turkey breast. Let rest for 5 minutes before cutting. And then, of course, this could not be complete without our turkey gravy. Place your turkey dripping in a pot and turn the burner on to medium heat. Add a half a cup of flour, whisk continuously, and cook for 1 minute. Add 4 cups chicken broth slowly while whisking. You want to make sure there are no lumps. Bring to a boil to thicken and keep whisking, then set aside. To elevate box stuffing, cook 1 pound of mild Italian sausage, drain and set aside. Cook 2 packages of your stuffing according to box directions. Add your cooked sausage, half a cup dried cranberries, and mix. I hope you enjoyed this different take on Thanksgiving. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.